How to fix Google Play Store not working. So if your Google Play Store isn't working on your Android phone, there are a couple of things that we can do. The first thing to do is to simply launch the settings app on your Android, and depending upon the phone that you're using, go to the apps section and go to the app management section. Here, tap the three dots option from the top right hand side and also make sure to select to show the system applications depending upon the phone you're using. The first app we want to search for is Google Play Store itself. So just type in Google Play Store in the search bar and select it. From here, go to storage usage, clear the cache files and clear the data. Once done, disable the application and force stop the application. Tap the three dots from the top right hand side and uninstall the updates of that app. Then again enable that app. Now come back and do the same for Google Play Services, which is a system application. Now from here, again repeat the same steps. Tap the three dots, select Uninstall Updates, go to Storage Usage, clear cache and clear the data, and disable and re-enable it again. Now go ahead and then check if you have any type of software update available for your device. So depending upon the phone you're using, check for a software update. Now open up your Play Store. It will take a while to load up since we cleared the data. Once done, tap on your Google profile from the top right, scroll down and tap on Settings, go to About, then go to Update Play Store and make sure to update your Play Store as well. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.